Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys, and today's video is about AI toolbox that I made for myself and obviously for you guys. And this toolbox is not another AI slop, and I made this toolbox because I was too much frustrated from the AI slop which is going all over the internet right now, from my LinkedIn profile to my Instagram profile. I actually don't use Instagram, but it's a fake profile of mine, and yeah, whatever. But it was all over the place, and I was just too much frustrated from it that I created a single toolbox that combines all of the models, all of the features, and some of the features that might be useful for you guys, and maybe useful for me too, because I use AI too much these days, and my IQ is going down by that. And so yeah, let's jump into it, and let me show you what I built. So before we jump into the main topic, I want to tell you that this platform which I created, or like web version, I'm actually working on the Play Store app version for it. I need testers for that, but that is in still progress. But this is basically combining all of the AI, majority of the AI tools which is on the internet, like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cursor, and dozen of other tabs which is open on almost everyone's desktop or PC nowadays. So it's basically an app store for AI, and you can install skills, agents, models, and also use them. And there is multiple of useful features in the app store. And the app store which I made is called, not a particular app store I would say, but kind of similar to that. It's in the early development version, and it's called Merser Store, and has multiple useful features. First of all, a prompt fixer, which actually ends prompt engineering, so-called prompt engineering. I don't call it prompt engineering, but whatever. So it's a prompt enhancer or prompt fixer, as my friends say, that it will actually help many of the AI users to actually interact with AI and get the better output from AI. Actually, it's the most useful feature of Mercer, and actually fixes a lot of things that when you hit a usage limit of a particular AI model, let's say Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini, or maybe like ChatGPT image generation. So let's say that you hit your usage limit on a particular model and it refreshes in 5 hours. So you have to actually wait for 5 hours, and sometimes you just forget that your model has refreshed and you can use it again. But when you hit a particular feature on Mercer, I will actually show you in the video, and when you hit that button, then it actually sets the timer for you, and after the timer ends, it will actually notify you that, hey user, your Claude usage is refreshed again and you can use it again. So that feature is also there on Mercer, and prompt enhancer, prompt fixer, and a lot of other features are also there, that you can install a skill and actually upload a skill on Mercer. And if person A has uploaded a skill on Mercer, and then person B logs into Mercer, and then person B installs the skill into Mercer, then person B actually can use the skill on Mercer. And also you can use your API keys. Also you can use your API keys from other models. Let's say you bring your API key from Claude, ChatGPT or Gemini, then you put your API key into Mercer, and then it actually uses that model from Claude or ChatGPT, and actually uses that model for the prompt fixer or other features in Mercer. And don't worry that your API key might be stolen from Mercer or something like that. I have actually made sure that no one in between, from saving from the database to actually putting your API key into Mercer, actually can read your API keys. Actually, it's just up to you. There are free models on Mercer. If you just have a little bit trust. I mean, API keys cost you money, but uh, there are protocols, safety protocols that are on Merser. It's actually not end-to-end encrypted, but it's encrypted on a level that no one can actually, like, it might cost you a heavy amount of money to actually decrypt it. So yeah, so don't worry about your API keys too. It's actually safe on Merser, and let me show you what Merser looks like. So let me go through all of the things which are there on Merser, and let me show you how it actually looks. And this is the basic discover page on Merser, and it actually has all of the major content on the discover page, and you can see the banner actually switches in every 10 to 15 seconds, and here are all of the things. Actually, I've divided into chat and reasoning, skills, agents, and voice, and also image. And there are particular models that actually do the best job in particular field. So for example, there are voice models, so ElevenLabs is there, and WAPI is there. And also for image model, there are Midjourney, GPT Image 2, it's best for the use case. Also Grok Imagine is there, and also, like, for chat and reasoning, the best one is actually the Claude, and second one is GPT, as we know. And when we come to the second page of Merser, this is the PROMPTARM. I chose this name because my prompt arm is actually strong. So that was a very bad joke, and I shouldn't say that again. So let me tell you about PROMPTARM. So PROMPTARM is actually the prompt enhancer or prompt fixer for your prompts, and we will actually go through it and see it how it works. But let me show you all of the pages first. So here is the library. Actually, I'm the first one logged into the Merser right now, and I haven't shared like Merser to anyone else right now. I'm just making the video for you guys. And here is the library page, and all of the skills and all of the agents that you have installed on Merser, it will be shown in the library. And this is the usage page, and this shows that I have used 40,000 tokens for Llama 3.370 billion parameter version, which is actually free, and I have uploaded it onto Merser, which is free to use, and also there on the prompt enhancer. And the last page is the publish to Merser page. So here you can actually publish your models, skills, prompt pack, agent, and tools. So actually there are a lot of things to actually publish on Merser. You can actually publish it, and then when you upload, like, say, like a skill or something like that, then when you come to the discover page and open the skill tab, here you can see all the skills which are there for your use case. And let's say you have installed chess coach skill. I'll actually remove it from the library and show it to you guys again. And here you can say that it's kind of a basic testing prototype or something like that, because I haven't actually made sure that it's actually running perfectly, because it's actually the test version, but I want you guys to actually use it. So let's say you click on chess coach skill and install it, and here it's ready to use. And let's use it on the model Llama 3.3, which is free again. Let's say teach me the basics of chess. I actually know how to play chess. I have a rating of 1300 something on chess.com, which is okay, I guess. So yeah, here you can see it has given us the answer, basic answers. And here you can see it actually opens up the skill, which is actually a very short skill and just a testing skill. So there are other skills too, for example AI skills for daily life. When we use this skill it actually has a full structured way of calling it a skill, and here you can ask anything from the model, and the last thing will be actually going into the settings page and uploading your API keys and everything. So before I tell you to upload your API keys, let me tell you that keys are encrypted with AES 256 before storage. Even we can't read them without active session. So actually it's very safe. So it will be really safe for you to actually upload your API keys on Merser, and I'm not telling you to actually upload your API keys, it's just for me that I can use it in future and something like that. It's up to you. So then you come to accounts, then you set up an account, and then you come to preferences. Here you can select your preferences for prompt enhancer or prompt fixer, and here it is the feature of notify when AI quotas refresh. Here you can turn it on, and here is the last and the most important thing for Merser and actually safety for your privacy and data. Here is the feature for exporting your data. It will download it and show it to you what actually the things are there, and it will be there in a JSON file. And here is another feature of clear local Merser data, wipes all of the sessions and clear the caches in the browser and signs you out. And the last thing is delete your account, permanently deletes your account and deletes your API keys uploaded onto the database and uploaded files, whichever skills or whatever you have uploaded onto Merser. And here you can see on the publish tab, if you upload a skill, here it states that published apps or published skills or models or whatever. I have uploaded 4 skills of mine onto Merser and installed it on my other testing account, so it shows 4 installs. So let me tell you about the prompt enhancer now, and let me tell you what other features are there on Merser. Let's go. So let me show you how the prompt arm or the prompt enhancer, also prompt fixer, works. So there are actually multiple modes on the prompt arm. There are actually clarity, technical, creative, structure, chain of thoughts, expert role, concise and detailed. And you can actually select your target model. I have selected the Llama 3.3, which is the free version, and you can use it. Actually it works really well, but if you use your API keys and select that model, then it will work much better. But as a free version, I will just use this. So for actually showing you guys, so here I have a really bad prompt, and when I select the clarity mode and just types in like, write something about a guy who does stuff in a place with things and make it interesting but also long and short, I don't know, emotions too. It's a really bad prompt. And when I click on enhance prompt, it actually takes 1 or 2 moments, and then it actually shows us the enhanced and fixed prompt, as you can see. And when I select another mode, let's say creative, and enhance it again, so it does the job again. And here you can see it is ready to actually copy and paste it on another AI model for your use case. So this is actually a really useful tool that I use for myself. I built it for myself and I use myself. What a useful thing I made. And this is again for the detailed mode, and this is basically the main use of PROMPTARM or prompt fixer or prompt enhancer, whatever you call it. And if you select expert role, for example, and does the enhance button, click the enhance button again, then it actually shows you the expert roles enhanced prompt. And when you copy all this prompt from prompt arm, then actually go into discover mode and actually select AI model. Let's say we select chat and reasoning and then go to Claude and open Claude. Then it actually opens Claude, and then you can copy paste it and actually send it and just compare the results. I mean, I compared the results with my own projects and work, and the result was like so much better from here to here. And with the prompt fixer and the prompt arm, I actually sent this to my friends and everything, and they actually told me that this is one of the most useful feature which they think it's actually useful. I think it's kind of yeah, it is useful, but I think we need much more useful features for using AI. It's actually, now in conclusion to all of the things, I think that Merser is an AI toolbox, not an AI tool, and it actually has all of the tools in it, and it actually combines all of the things. We don't need more and more AI and slop and everything. It just frustrates the users and everything. So we just need one thing, that is a combined toolbox, and actually manages all of the tools and at one place. And let me show you one more feature which is there on Merser, which is actually more useful, and which I feel which is more useful. So let me show you. There is another useful feature in Merser which is actually kind of useful, maybe useful, you guys please decide. And this feature is actually there because I actually suffered from this a lot, that Claude usage hit and ChatGPT image generation is hit, and you come after 4 hours and it will refresh and something like that. So here you can see my ChatGPT says that it's actually on the free version, and it says that try again after 8:30. That's actually 8 hours later. And when I come to Merser, and here's one small feature of hit limit, and let's say ChatGPT, it actually sets the timer for 5 minutes. It's actually 5 hours, but when you come to usage tab and set add a timer, and for ChatGPT and set 8 hours, and then yep, there you go. So it actually works like that. And let me show you how it actually notifies you when it actually refreshes. So my Claude usage is refreshed, and it says the notification, your Claude usage has refreshed. Click to open Merser, and when I'll go to discover page and open Claude, it's actually refreshed. And this is another useful feature for myself and maybe for a lot of people out there on the internet, because they might be suffering from this, that their Claude usage has just expired or it's just gone. So set a timer, instant, hit a button, and it will actually notify you, and you can just save hours and hours of waiting time and use your Claude or ChatGPT again. So here are some of the there were some of the features which I wanted to mention in this video. And actually there is this one more cool feature which I like to mention in this video, which is dark mode, and it actually makes the whole UI a little more cool and a little more professional, I would say. So yeah, and the whole, I would like to mention that the whole stack is, I use Supabase, Vercel, obviously Claude, and a little bit of anti-gravity, and I used also grok.console for free API for Llama 3.3, and also I used a little bit of my skills. So that's it. I would like to mention that all of the things which are there on Merser, and all of the things which are actually there in your mind, please drop in the comment section and let me know what do you think about Merser. And you can also visit Merser, just type www.merser.store. I did not pick .ai.com or something like that. I just picked Merser.store because it was cheap. So yeah, being totally honest, and this was Merser, and let me know what do you think about it. And don't worry, your API keys are safe, and it's up to you. This is the end of the video, guys, and I hope you liked the video and liked what I built, and just hit the like button on the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and share this video to your friends who use AI and just see a lot of AI slop on the internet. And please do visit merser.store and let me know what do you think about it. And if there's any error or bug you find, please just let me know via email. I'll just type my email down here. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'll build something cool next time too and show you all.